Let me stop playing.
Finish him. Fatality. Flawless victory.
Hey babies, it's your girl Lily back with another video for you, baby, and today we're going to be doing a quick makeup tutorial. Today's video we're going to be doing a little cute blue rhinestone makeup look. First, I'm going to be going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to be using this underneath my eyes and on my chin, and I'm just going to be blending that in with a damp beauty blender. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a month. It feels like forever. It hasn't been long, but if you haven't noticed, your girl has locks now. So if you're going to see me do a video on my lock journey so far, leave a comment down below, and I will surely do a video. If you guys haven't noticed, yes, I changed my name to my channel. Yes, this is me. A lot of people have been asking me if this is the same channel. Yes, this is the same channel. Obviously, I have the same videos up, duh. I swear, people be asking some crazy ass questions, but yeah, this is me. Now I'm going to be taking just a little bit of my Black Radiance Liquid Foundation, and I'm just going to be blending that in on my cheeks and on my neck and on the top of my forehead. Just blending it in almost with the concealer, basically meeting up with it. I know in some of my older makeup tutorials you would see me put on my foundation first and then put on the concealer, but lately I've been putting the concealer on first and then putting on my foundation. You can tell a little difference, not really, but I don't know. I just been like doing that lately. Now I'm going to be going in with my Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder, and I'm just going to be putting that underneath my eyes and on my chin and letting that sit for 5 minutes. New YouTube video up on my channel. Oh, you see it? There it is. There it is. Go look at it. Go watch it. Now I'm going to be taking my foundation brush and I'm just going to be dusting off the excess powder and blending in at the same time. Here's a look I did similar to the look that I'm doing now. I posted it on my Instagram, so if you guys want to go follow me on Instagram, don't forget to. The link is in the description. Like always, follow me. Yeah. Now I'm just putting on the rhinestones with the glue. If you buy these rhinestones on Amazon, the little tweezers come with it. I'll probably leave a link to the rhinestones down in the description box. Yeah, y'all know I always leave y'all with the links. That's what we do over here. Okay, let me stop talking. Now I'm going to be applying my eyelashes. And child, I had a time with these lashes, child. I had to use the tweezers this time because I had these nails on and I couldn't grip like I usually do. Child, I had to use these damn tweezers. But anyways, yeah, I'm applying these lashes. They cute or whatever. Anyways, now I'm going to be putting on some black eyeliner on the bottom of my lash line. And I'm also going to be putting on some lip liner and some lip gloss. What little mama said? My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. Okay, I'm talking too much. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this look. It was nothing too crazy. Just a little... I wanted to give y'all something since I've been gone so long. But yeah.
2 hours later.
But this is the finished look, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, leave a comment down below what you think about the video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, babies, if you want to see a video on my lock journey, leave a comment down in the comment section and I will surely do a video on my lock journey if that's what you guys want to see. Yeah, so your girl has a locks now. Okay, enough of that.
Finish him. Fatality. Flawless victory.